Hello friends, I'm Christopher. I'd say welcome back to the garden, but you're in my workshop for this because I just got a package from VEGO. This is actually going to be a toolbox that stays outside the whole time. So let's do a little unboxing. Ooh, it's different for this channel. Okay, fantastic. Here we go. This color is called Dandelion. My eldest daughter picked it out. There are a couple different choice options, and I think it's going to go lovely against my sky blue raised beds. In fact, it's meant to go with them. This will hook perfectly over the edge, and it's meant to not scratch the raised beds that they have. You can see how this is going to attach. Pretty straightforward, although I have a feeling it's going to need a little bit of extra effort to push in. So through the power of editing, we'll get this on real quick. A little easier to get on a side angle. It's got drainage holes in the bottom of it, so if you do get any kind of wet tools that you're putting in here, it will drain out, but it completely covers. And maybe you're in a gardening situation like mine. My shed is in my backyard, my garden's in my side yard, it's a little ways away, but I'd like to keep some tools in the garden at all times, right? Like my Hori knife is going to go in here, and some pruning shears, and probably a pair of gloves and a few other things. And this way that keeps them out of the sun, and I don't really have another option for that in my garden because it's so exposed. So this is a really nice, elegant solution for keeping things that I need all the time in the garden, small hand tools, right on hand. Let's go install it. But before we go put this in the garden, I wanted to say that if you like this or any other product by VEGO, I'm not paid by them, but I do participate in their affiliate marketing, so there's a link in the description below. It takes you to VEGO. You can buy all the stuff at no extra cost, but I get a little credit kickback so I can buy more cool gardening stuff and make great videos. So if you like that, do please check it out. Now let's go in the garden. Yeah, there we go, that's it. It's pretty simple. I think it's a nice, simple, elegant solution. As you saw, I was, already moving it around from one place to another, and I'll probably move it around again. It's easy to just pick up and go. If you need to be harvesting here and get it out of your way, that's fine. I'm looking forward to coming out here and not having to go back into the house because I forgot, my clippers or gloves or something like that. You can see I've just got a potting bench in the corner. And it's nice to have something that is a covered solution. So if you need that, VEGO offers it. Check out that affiliate link down below to go get one for yourself. Otherwise, tell us what you do for tool storage outdoors. What has been your solution? I'm sure there are a lot of different ideas out there. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Happy gardening, and take care, guys. Bye.